The band that toured with Paul Simon, was that Lady Smith Black Mambazo?
Don't remember the name of that group.
Yeah. They were fantastic.
Yes, they were.
I saw I don't know if it was Behind the Music, but something along those lines, and it was Paul Simon talking about the song Graceland on the record Graceland.
It's a great song.
And he talks about it, and he's in the room with the mixing board, and he's like, yeah, I might have changed this. Other than that, I feel like this song was the best I've ever done.
And that whole album is fantastic.
What's that?
Homeless.
Homeless, yeah.
Yes, oh my God. That is a great song.
All that sort of stuff they do.
Yeah, hoa, hoa, hoa.
Waka, waka, waka.
Not a waka, waka, waka. Hoa, 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 hoa.
Waka, waka.
It almost sounds synthesized. You know?
Yes.
It doesn't sound like a human voice sometimes. Hoa, 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 hoa.
This one is a tribute to Mr. Patchmit.
Do the with the reverb on.
That one is a tribute to a good friend of ours, Mr. Patchmit.
Awa, awa.
Oh, God.
They know him too. Hey, that guy we used to work with laughed like that. Great guy, but he had a very distinct laugh.
I almost felt like Rocky when he was crying at Mickey dying. I was like,